What's up everybody, Lucas here. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to do this variation of the shuffle step, the shuffle moonwalk, whatever, I don't know the name. You can learn it in under 5 minutes. But you gotta focus. Basic Running Man recap. Start with 1 foot out in the front, 1 foot in the back. That's the one of the beat, and then on the that's, you're going to bring the front foot to the center, you're going to bring the back foot up, but bring the knee in like that. And then on the 2, that back foot now turns into the front foot, and the front foot goes to the back. And then you do the same thing, and that comes in. So that's just a little recap. If you want the full tutorial on that, where I break it down real slow and you follow along with me and learn that, and learn how to get it to the beat, to the music, check out my full Running Man tutorial. It only will take you 5 minutes and you can learn it. A lot of people are testimonies out there in the comments. Instructions not clear. Something of mine is stuck in the toaster. All right, so check it out. Really easy. The foot that goes to the back, first of all, what you want to do is put it to the toe. So instead of going to the back flat or just a little bit up on the toe, you want to put it, basically point the toe. So up, point the toe, up, point the toe, up, point the toe. Now you want to add some travel to that. So you can see I have 3 lines on the ground, right? You know, the back, middle, front. So with the Running Man, bring it to the middle, and we just keep going to the middle, like that. With the Running Man moonwalk variation, what we're going to do is we're going to bring it up, back, plant the back on the toe, but this time, you're going to slide back to this foot, like that. So when you jump, you're going to slide to the back. Now, depending on how far you want to go back, you don't have to slide all the way back. You can slide a little bit back, and then down, back, on the toe, jump and slide to the back. So it's actually very simple. Up center, down back toe, slide to the back. You can start with your basic Running Man like this, right? And then when you're ready, whenever you're ready, you just jump to that toe, and then you just start sliding it to the back instead of bringing it to the center, okay? And now that toe foot is gonna be the front foot. And that's gonna be the front foot, yeah. Always go to that toe. That. So now I kind of accidentally learned this move, you know? So like, I didn't really watch a tutorial on it or anything. I've seen it done before, but only a glimpse. So this is how I do it like I do it. As long as the majority of me is going backwards, it looks like a moonwalk. Whoa! All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Gotta go. Hope you guys all have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace. I'll see you all in the next video.
Really sorry.
Hey.